Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a hair salon app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, to create a hair salon app in Glide, you can follow these steps. Start by navigating to the left menu and clicking on the Templates option. This will take you to your template page where you can see your existing templates. To access the template store, click on the Template Store option, which will direct you to the templates library. In the template library, templates are organized into different categories that you can browse using the left menu. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific template. For a hair salon app template, you can search for the keyword salon in the search bar. Choose a template from the search results, such as the hair salon template. Clicking on the chosen template will take you to another page with two options: Create this app and Preview. Select the Create this app option to proceed and customize the template in the editor. Once you're in the editor, you will see a top bar with three options: Data, Layout, and Action. In the Data section, you can customize the data of the app template by modifying the tables on the left side. In the Layout section, you can customize the layout of the app template, including the navigation and product settings. You can also preview the app in both mobile and desktop mode. In the Actions section, you can add actions to create custom workflows by combining multiple steps. You can add a new action by clicking on the plus new action button, or utilize the existing actions provided. After customizing the app, you can publish it by clicking on the Publish button at the editor's top right corner. Once published, you will find a Share button in the same corner. By clicking on it, you will have various options to share your app, such as a QR code, link, or inviting users through their email. And there you have it, a new hair salon app in Glide. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. You can also watch my Glide tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching, and take care.